The moment when the phrase, "they'll never find your body," nearly becomes reality. A photo shared on social media was captioned, "Last night, my family was out, and I was home alone. Snow fell on and off throughout the day and night. The next morning, when I went down to the kitchen for breakfast, I realized I wasn't as alone as I thought during the night." The interior of an abandoned house is covered in blood stains on the walls. In one corner, there is a drawing of a triangle with an eye placed inside. The dark and eerie atmosphere of the place creates a tense and unsettling mood. A disturbing cult ritual captured in a photograph. The photo was taken during a raid or by someone observing the ceremony in Italy. It's unclear. However, it's possible to see bodies on the ground covered in blood. The possibility of Egypt being invaded by giants at one time. The severed finger in the photo is from ancient Egypt. You might dismiss it as just a finger from a mummy, but don't be so quick to judge. This finger measures 38.1 centimeters in length. This suggests it likely belonged to someone approximately 4 meters 8 centimeters tall. Could it be that Egypt was once invaded by giants? A real ultrasound image taken in 1991. Is this real? Or is it fake? Or perhaps a shooting error? We don't know. A terrifying drawing made by a young child. Kill yourself. We're waiting for you. A tiny boat against the bright pink, mountain-like waves. We don't know if the fishing boat in the photo survived these moments. In this seahorse photo taken in the 1940s, there's a creature with visible fins and a tail. The problem is that the distance between its tail and fins is 64 feet, or roughly 19.5 meters. What kind of creature could be this massive? Some experts suggest it could be the last representative of the megalodon, the ancestor of great white sharks. But of course, it's impossible to know for sure. The surfer's worst nightmare. Is it an octopus invasion, or a single creature with thousands of tentacles? Either way, it's a sight no one would want to encounter. In France, the Google Street View car captured an image that's truly chilling. If you search for this location on Google, you'll notice the strange creature has been blurred out. Some say this creature is Gouda, a being said to live among humans in disguise. Others believe it's just a simple Halloween decoration. Interestingly, some people claim they see nothing unusual in the photo, just a small child standing next to their bicycle. What do you think? A snake eating a huge bat. The size of the bat is quite interesting. In a photo taken with a flash, the sheep's eyes reflected the light. Nothing unusual there. However, what's strange is that every single sheep in the flock is staring directly at the person taking the photo. Why they're all fixated like this remains a mystery. A squid that resembles an alien? One of the strangest squids we dip into our sauce? Known as the bigfin squid, this creature was captured on video in 2007, 229 meters off the Gulf of Mexico. These creatures are rarely seen, which is why they remain largely unstudied. There's very little information about where they come from, why they have such long arms, or what species they belong to. To date, the number of sightings hasn't even reached double digits. The nuclear medusa. If you were to look at this in real life, you would almost certainly die. This photo captures the moment humanity came closest to creating a real-life Medusa, the mythical demigoddess who turned anyone who looked at her to stone. The image was taken in the basement of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Here, the core of one of the reactors had melted down, resulting in this horrifying formation. Known as the elephant's foot, this material weighs hundreds of tons and spans several meters. The photo was taken using a mirror extended into the corridor where the material was located. This was because the remote-controlled camera sent to capture the image was instantly destroyed by the intense radiation.